Companies that treat cloud like an infinite credit card get burned. Cloud bills are the silent growth tax for many teams. Monthly invoices that creep up while teams keep shipping features. But the good news, most cloud cost problems are solvable without sacrificing performance. The smart one, treat cloud like a utility. You optimize, buy what you need, automate the rest, and move cold data to cheaper storage. In this video, we will get a practical step-by-step playbook to reduce cloud costs. Why are cloud bills go so high? A few common reasons are oversized instances, on-demand usage where commitments would help, data egress, ungoverned backups, and poor lifecycle policies. You don't need a radical re-architecture. You need process, measurement, and a few tactics. Industry report shows cloud optimization program typically save 20 to 50% in the first 6 to 12 months when done correctly. Small change compound fast. Imagine a team storing 500 TB of logs and media on a high-cost S3 tier and never archiving. That's expensive and unnecessary for long-lived cold data. And it's the exact opportunity we will go through in the work example later. Here is the playbook. 8 practical steps explained and actionable. Audit and tag everything. Turn on billing export. Enable cost allocation tags and tag resources by team, project, and environment. Outcome, you will know who spends what. Right size and stop costs. Identify underutilized instances, idle databases, and orphan volumes. Downsize or terminate them. Use autoscaling instead of permanent oversized VM. Commitment discounts and spot preemptive use. Use reserved instances or savings plan for steady workloads. Use spot preemptive instances for bad jobs or non-critical compute. Storage tiering on lifecycle policies. Move hot data to standard storage. Transition cold data to infrequent or archive tiers automatically after say 180 days. Data compression and deduplication. Compress archive and D2 backups before upload. Avoid egress fees. Keep regional workflow local. Design APIs to fetch frequently accessed data from the same cloud and use S3 compatible buckets in regions to avoid cross-cloud egress. Caching and CDN optimization. Caching static content at the edge to avoid repeated origin fetches. Automate, monitor, iterate. Enforce policies with automation. Shut down dev VMs at night. Set alerts for unexpected spends. And run monthly cost reviews. Prioritize low effort, high impact action fast. Tagging, right-sizing, and lifecycle rules usually pay back within weeks. After cleaning up the obvious waste, it's time to look at servers, databases, and storage. Imagine a fleet of servers humming 24/7. Some barely touches 10% CPU, others sits idle on weekend. Yet, you will be paying full price. First step, check utilization. Look at CPU, RAM, and disk I/O. Right size, shut down, and move workloads as needed. Next, think about where your workloads live. Maybe AWS or Azure is convenient, but alternative like NIP Cloud can save big. A 4 GB RAM, 2 virtual CPU, 20 GB SSD servers starts at $899 per month. For new projects or unpredictable workloads, smaller EC2 servers or AWS Lambda can be cheaper and faster than overprovisioning. Databases quietly drain your budget too. With RDS, check instance type, storage, and IOPS. Post depth and staging databases, use serverless or reserved instances, and delete old snapshots. These small steps can reduce cost by 30 to 50%. Then there is S3 or object storage, where long-lived cold data silently accumulates. Files rarely accessed, duplicates, or orphan backups adds up. Lifecycle rules move data automatically to cheaper tiers. And this video is made in collaboration with Zeta.ai, a modern S3 compatible cloud storage platform that's changing how enterprises think about cost and control. While AWS S3 costs around $2,200 per TB, Zeta.ai offers the same storage for just $599 per TB, nearly 73% lower. For enterprises managing 500 TB to 1 petabyte of data, that's an annual saving of 1 to 2 crore without compromising performance or compatibility. Plus, with the data hosted entirely in India and zero egress fees, Zeta.ai ensures faster access, better compliance, and predictable cost. Everything cloud storage should have been from the start. Reducing cloud cost is an ongoing practice. Audit, act, automate, and repeat. Start with tagging and right sizing, then lock in discounts and optimize storage. Start the audit today, pick one wallet draining resource, fix it this week, and measure the saving next month. Small steps add up. Your cloud bill will thank you.